This is Jess from jesshuff.com. In this video, I'll show you how to attach a nose to a snout as you crochet in the round. At this point, you should have a completed nose ready to attach. You should also have 2 stitches marked on your snout, one where you'll start attaching your nose in the next round, and one where you'll stop. Crochet the next round as indicated by your pattern until you hit the first stitch marker. The only thing we'll be doing differently is in the marked stitches and the stitches in between, we'll be inserting our hook through a stitch on the nose, then through a stitch on the snout before completing a single crochet or increase. Remove the first stitch marker. Put the nose in place, making sure the side with the color join is facing down. Now insert your hook through the first slip stitch on the nose and the first stitch we had marked on the snout. Complete a single crochet or increase as your pattern is written. Continue attaching the nose to the snout stitch for stitch until you've crocheted into the second marked stitch, then finish out the round as normal. Now attach the tip of the nose to the snout with a brown strand of yarn and a yarn needle. I'll crochet the next round so you can see what it's like to crochet through the stitches on the snout. Complete all remaining rounds as your pattern is written. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can be notified about my future videos. Thanks for watching!